We cannot be one mouth. Na asubuhi tunazungumza upande huu, tunazungumza tofauti. Jioni upande huu tunazungumza tofauti. My brothers of this region, huu umma huu unawategemea sana kwa matamshi yenu.
Hii serikali ya broad base ni nzuri sana, kwa sababu ni serikali ambayo ni practical. Kenya hii tangu tuende kwa multi-party politics, tumekuwa tukijidanganya kama taifa ati when somebody wins election, the government serves all the people of Kenya equally. Hiyo ni uongo ya mtano. There is nothing like that. In the past, whoever won the presidency formed the government and resources were directed as he or she wishes.
We know it is our constitutional right to get all the development. But being at the table strengthens your constitutional right of getting what you should get.
Mimi nataka niwaambie wanasiasa wote. The aim, the biggest objective of any political party is to form government. If you're a political party and you have no ambition of forming government, then you have no business being a political party. And ODM was formed, and its ambition and objective is to form government. And if you have any opportunity, however slight it is, to build government, take it, because that is the objective of being a political party. Today, ODM can showcase itself through this broad-based government. Whatever ODM stood for, it has been given a platform to showcase itself. Sinikitu kizuri. Sinikitu kizuri. Kama unataka ODM yetu kwa upinzani kesho kutwa milele. Raila Odinga did not sit down with William Ruto for his selfish interests. He could have demanded anything for himself. But he chose one thing. Country first. He has not confused his community. If you're doing west, let's do west. If you're doing east, let's go east. That is the only way, as a community, you can stand na msubiri. Bila hivyo, mkianza kuweka machungo yenu katika vikapu vingi, nguvu zenu kama jamii itapungua. Na umoja ni nguvu. Your unity is your bargaining capacity, now and in the future. You stay united, you bargain from a position of strength. Mkiweka mapande, your bargaining capacity will also be divided and therefore weak.